Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ivy Endeavours Food and Travel. It has been a really long time, I mean months, that I haven't uploaded any new video to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, staying safe and healthy and doing great. Today I'm coming back to you with yet another yummylicious recipe, that of Chital fish in tomato and mustard gravy. Now let's get started with the recipe. For the gravy, we are taking 2 tablespoons of white mustard seeds and 2 tablespoons of black mustard seeds. We are going to wash them thoroughly and keep it soaked for a couple of hours before grinding it into a fine paste. Here we have 3 big pieces of Chital fish. In local language, Assamese or Bengali, we call it Chital fish. It's a freshwater fish and it has been marinated with turmeric and salt for now. So friends, this is after almost 2 hours of soaking our mustard seeds. As you can see, they have softened a little bit and have become double in size. Now we are going to strain it and grind it into a fine paste. So friends, now our mustard has been grinded into a very smooth paste. You may have to add few spoonfuls of water while grinding it. We have also added 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Now in the same mixer grinder, I am going to grind 2 medium-sized tomatoes into a fine puree. And here I have chopped 2 medium-sized onions for frying. We have warmed some 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and now we are going to add the chopped onion into it. Let it fry for some time till it becomes translucent. Then we'll add the tomato paste. Once our onion has become translucent and little brown in color, we have added the tomato paste into the mix. Now we are going to stir it for some time. At this point you can add salt as per taste. I am adding 1 teaspoonful of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric. At this point I am increasing the heat or the flame, and I am frying it for some time on high flame till the tomato releases all the water in it and starts releasing the oil from the sides. You can see after 2 to 3 minutes of frying, the tomato is releasing the oil. Now I am adding some homemade jeera powder, half a teaspoon, some homemade dhania powder, and little bit of meat masala. This masala combination is also as per your taste. I am going to stir it a little bit more. I am going to add the mustard paste into it. After adding the mustard paste, I am going to stir it gently a little bit. We don't need the mustard to fry for a long time, otherwise it may turn bitter. Just stir it a little bit and then we can add water. We have also added little bit of dry red chili powder, which will add to a very nice color of the gravy. Now we are stirring it little bit more. Now friends, we have added hot water into the mixture, mustard and tomato mixture, after frying the mustard for just little bit of time, and now let it simmer on low flame for some time till it becomes a smooth gravy, and you can see the fine color of the tomato and the red chili powder as well. Meanwhile, I have warmed up my fry pan, I put some mustard oil, and now I am going to fry my fish. In goes our beautiful Chital fish into the oil for frying. I have flipped the side of the fish. I have turned it around and I am going to fry it on the other side for some more time. Friends, our pieces of fish have turned golden brown on both sides, and at that time I have added them to our shimmering gravy and allowed the gravy to boil for some more time, for a couple of minutes. Then I served the mustard gravy in order to be enjoyed with a plate full of plain steamed rice. Friends, I hope you liked today's video. If yes, do not forget to give a like to the video and share it with your friends and family. And subscribe to my channel IV Endeavours for more such yummylicious recipes and travel videos. Just drizzle some mustard oil on top of it and relish it with your loved ones.